water trap is bad because I hear air. Yep. So if y'all have one of these Airlift or SMC or whatever auto drain water traps like this right here, and if y'all hear hissing coming from the bottom where the air is coming out of the drain all the time, then you probably need to just take it apart, clean the crud out the bottom, and then it should work as it should. But that's the problem I have with mine. I can hear air leaking and it was just flowing out the bottom. So I'm going to clean all this crud out, put it back together, and see, or you can see it real good right there, and see if it works. But I'm thinking all that crud was keeping the needle from fully seating, and then it was just leaking. So I've had this for 4 years. I don't think it's all that bad. These are $50 brand new plus shipping, so I'd rather try to fix this before I buy another one. So stay tuned to see if cleaning it fixes the leak issue. It was a little dirty, but now everything is clean. But you can see that it is now clean. So pretty much we're just gonna put it all back together, hook it back up in the car, and see if it fixed it or not. So it's back installed, all the lines are hooked up. So let's give it a start and let's see if it still leaks. Ugh. Give it until it fills up, then I'll be back and we can see if it's still leaking or not. All right, so it should be at 155, 153, 155, whatever. So let's see if it is still leaking out the bottom. And it is not. It is dead quiet. No leaks. Where is it at? No nothing. That is solved. 15-20 minutes just saved me $65. And if you're having an issue, hopefully this will save you a little bit of time too, because these are $50 from Bag Riders and even more from other websites. So if this helped you, you know, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Darius Beals on Instagram, YouTube. I don't post as much on Facebook, but I'm on Facebook. So, as always, think, build, enjoy. Peace.